Good morning guys, good morning. Monday. Oh, I made it downstairs before the kiddos, and whew, it's 6:10. I'm gonna share something with you guys. And the reason why I'm going to share is because that's just who I am. You know, it's just who I am. So hubby took a pay cut. And it's not like it's a pay cut where like, oh, it's a couple bucks. No, it's like if you were to work a minimum wage job, you could actually earn that pay cut. Like, it was huge. But usually he would, if something like that happened, and it's because when he transferred his license to the state we had, he lost a few endorsements, and he also has a restriction on his license that prevents him from driving certain trucks. So he has to get that removed. But in the state that we live, it's so complicated that he's just like, I'm not even going through, not even going to be bothered. And then he lost a really big endorsement on his license that he's in the process of trying to get back on, but you have to pay for it. And you can't really pay for something when you took a pay cut. But anyways, without going too in detail, we're broke. We are broke. So it's been kind of hard because now I have to figure out the kids' lunches. We have to go back to this, you know, minimalistic lifestyle of, you know, living within our means. That's just who we are. We've always lived within our means. And so we're trying to cut back and our groceries, our spending, our bills and all that. Luckily for us, a few bills fall off the first of the beginning of 2019, so we don't have to go too long where we're touching, you know, stuff that we're not supposed to be touching. But at the same time, I don't want to get so far behind and then, you know, stuff get all jacked up, because I feel like I can't, when things are not going the way it's supposed to, I can't function. But anyways, it's been 2 minutes of me talking, so yeah, let's get into the video. Let's go check on it. Come on, focus, come on, my beautiful face, come on, get it, right there. Let's go see what the kiddos are doing, guys. It's 6 o'clock and nobody's downstairs. What's going on? You're dressed in Maddie. You're dressed? Yeah. Good morning. Say good morning. That's JJ. Good morning. Oh my gosh, you just rolled out of bed, Jordan? Can you please? Can you? No, more mean nothing. Come on. Where's Jaxson? He's in the bed? Oh my gosh, what's going on? Jaxson! Jaxson, get up, bud. Come on, get up, come on. Someone was asking for a nighttime routine. Oh, you ready? Oh, look at her. Hi, good morning. You want to show us your outfit? Let's see, what you're wearing. A shirt, and then your pants. Oh, it's pretty. All right, finish getting dressed, girls, and come on down. I'm waiting for you. No, put your pants on. Put your pants on.
You don't go with her, won't you?
See what happened? Come up here to check on them, and I'm caught up here with a toddler. Did you take a bath? Did you give her a bath? Yeah. All right, I'm gonna go tend to this baby, and I'll be back right back. Doesn't put deodorant on Maddie. Like why? Like why, Maddie? Tell her. Say I'm not stinky. I'm not a stinky butt. They're gonna have to figure. I'm gonna have to make them porridge because we don't have any food. Come. I haven't gone grocery shopping in over 2 weeks now, just because we can't. We really can't. We haven't been able to. What I did this year, I was gonna go shopping for them, but instead, we went ahead and let me tell y'all this. For the kids this year, I wasn't gonna buy the kids anything. Oh, there you go. I wasn't gonna buy the kids anything this year. But fortunate for me, I was online and stuff, and I went to Toys for Tots, and I filled it out. I researched it on the 1st, and the deadline to apply was December 2nd at 6 a.m. They were going to close the application, and the cutoff age for kids to receive presents is 12. So I was like, oh my gosh, wow. So I was able to, and then when I did the application for their presents, it was approved like a few hours later. So we are approved to get presents for the kids for Christmas. And this is like my first year actually doing it. And at first I wasn't gonna do it. I was just gonna go ahead and just get it. But then I was like, why would I do that? But you know what I mean, it's just toys. It's just toys. And luckily for us, it's not based on income or anything like that. They don't want to know your family status. They don't want to know any of that, you know what I mean. You just fill out the application, and then you go pick up the toys at a distribution center a few days, no, 2 weeks before Christmas. So I have to go pick that up. So I'm so thankful that I found it the night before the deadline, because then, you know, I would have to be putting myself in a strain to get gifts for all 5. So I'm thankful for that. And then what else? So now for breakfast, I'm just gonna make porridge, because I don't have any like breakfast food, so I have to make porridge. And I also, hubby made this pasta thingy. He made like ground beef thing. So what I'm gonna do is, and then they're gonna take just water from home for juice. So I'm gonna just make some pasta and put the meat sauce over top of it and put it in their thermos. And I have cookies that they can have for snacks, so I'm gonna give them 2 cookies and stuff. Chances are I probably won't record lunch video this week, but at the same time, I'm always real and I'm always honest with you guys about where we are financially. So there's nothing to hide, like, oh, she don't have any money, so she's not gonna, you know, do lunch. No, that's not it. It's just the lunch videos are not getting the views that they used to get. So it's like, I feel like it's just way too much competition going on with lunch videos. There's a lot of people doing them and stuff like that. So there are better videos in terms of lunch videos, you know. So I was like, I'll just let it go, you know what I mean. I just let it go. But that's what I'm getting ready to do, and I will see you guys in a little bit. For their breakfast, I have cornmeal right here. So I'm gonna make as cornmeal porridge, which I used to drink a lot when I was a child growing up in Jamaica. So you guys are having cornmeal porridge for breakfast. So I need to get on that because it's like 7:22. So, and then I have the pasta going for their lunch. So my porridge is going. I just season it with vanilla, cinnamon, nutmeg, and stuff. So last night I was thinking to myself, I was like, it's important in life to those fingernails need to be cut. I'll talk to you guys after, when their little ears are not everywhere. So this is ready for their lunches. It has pasta, ground beef, and vegetables. So that's that. I have their porridge going right now, and it's 6:40, so I gotta get going. Miss Maddie is in the freezer. She got put in timeout. Now she coming here laughing. You ready for breakfast? Sippy, 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 sippy. Sippy. Come. Come, mommy.
I'm putting ice in here.
Let me see if I can cool it a little bit more. I think I'm making good time. Got lunch set out right there. I gotta clean up my kitchen when I get back home because it's starting to look a hot mess. And Maddie's still waiting. Good girl. Let me go feed Maddie and I'll be right back. Is it good? Yeah? Wait, let mommy do it.
Oh, it's not and pepper, salt. Pepper and salt. We go together.
Yummy porridge.
It's like the salt and pepper. We go together like salt.
So the reason why she's sitting on the couch is because I like to feed her stuff like this because she makes a mess. And I'm not about that life this morning. Tell me why I'm over here just laying down watching YouTube videos, just chilling. Not even realizing it's 7:19 and we gotta go. It's 2:45 and I'm still trying to chase Maddie. We gotta go. We gotta go. Oh, I hit you in the head. Alright, let's do this, okay? We're late. Are we late? No? Ah, man. I'm late. I know for a fact I'm late. But whatever. It's what it is at this point. Because I'm just one person and I have to do 50 million things. So, well, I wasn't doing anything. I was just being, oh my gosh! My heartbeat is like going. And I hate that I have to do this whole routine thing before I can drive. Now this, I gotta go, guys. And hate that my nerves gets the best of me. I gotta go. Guys, I made it. It's 2:58. I'm supposed to pick him up at 3 o'clock and I made it. It's 2:59. I mean, the line is long. The line is a little long, but I made it. But I have to sit in this long line. So, I made it. I have 1 minute. I'm at the end of the line. I'm pretty sure someone else is gonna come. So I don't feel so bad that I'm at the end of the line, but I'm here to pick up my babies. And that's all that matters, right? Oh, my eye hurts. My eyes have been bothering me lately. Like they've been so red. I don't know why. But I came home and cleaned up my whole entire house. So clean. Look at that, guys. So clean. I cleaned my stove. Like actually cleaned my stove. Not just like wiped over. No, just cleaned it. Jaxson did the table. I'm tempted to redo it, but no. He did a good job. Even though there's a lot of streaks and stuff, but he did a good job. He cleaned the desk area, and then who vacuumed? Destiny vacuumed. Jason emptied the dishwasher. Jordan helped organize the cabinets and something else. Now they're working on homework. And Maddie just hi. And Maddie has been just. Oh, what's wrong with your mouth? What's in it? What's wrong with your mouth? What's wrong with your mouth? Yeah, Maddie's just been Maddie, so right now I'm waiting for hubby to get home.
Daddy?
Daddy, hubby, same thing. I have an advent calendar that I need to get ready. It's like the 3rd of December, and I'm still haven't got the advent calendar. So I think I'm gonna work on that. And then I also have a box from Amazon that accidentally I forgot to cancel the light, and it's too.
Mommy needs to put up the star Christmas tree.
Yeah, so yeah, that's the advent calendar. It's not a star Christmas tree. So I'm gonna go.
How'd you change the decoration?
So we'll see you guys. Yeah, the Amazon box, it accidentally went through. We were canceling orders, like, you know, canceling stuff that weren't really, you know, a necessity. So it accidentally went through. So I think it's just laundry stuff for the house. So anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I was saying that usually my husband, if stuff like that happened, he would try to find another job that pays well, but because the company he's with is a really good company, and it's hard to find really good companies, so that's why he stuck around. He's like, I'll work my way back up and then get his endorsements back, and you know, stuff like that. So oh, look at my kitchen, so beautiful. I don't think you guys can see. Look how clean that is. Stop doing that. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go tend to Maddie. I'll see you guys later.